we are going to paint. This is Sonic. Everybody say Sonic. Sonic. Here we have Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Everybody say Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Okay, so we have some colors here and some water and also some brush. Here you go.
Thank you.
So what colors do we have on the Sonic?
We have blue, yellow, red.
Okay, so we are going to make use of this. Take it out. Let's take it out. And what other color? Yellow. This is close to it. And red. So what about the eyes? Let's take some black. Alright, so we'll make use of this as the base for the color. And we're gonna put some dots of the colors on it.
like painting? Let me know in the comments. Bye!